1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Follow over. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to prep right on 1. Left hand start coming up. Hammerlock the right hand and take our 1.5 right. 2, 3. I'm going to duck on the left hand. 5. Catch it behind the back and do a back turn. 6, 7. So my right hand is going to go down and forward. And the left hand's not going to do anything. As I step back and turn with my left leg on 1. The right hand's going to go over my head as I step back on 2. We're going to step in place on 3. Pretty much like a salsa step. Now we're going to go over the head with the right hand, go turn forward in place. 5, 6, 7. So now we're going to open up the slot and drape ourselves with the right hand to the left shoulder on 1. We're going to start raising the left hand as we turn. 2. Now on 3, the hands stay together, palms up and push over her head. 3. We're going to turn back to the right. 5. And do a right turn under both hands on 6, 7. Now we're going to open up the slot. 1. Bring her forward. 2. Start wrapping her with the left hand on 3. Do a misdirection. Guide salsa step. 5, 6, 7. Left arm starts coming back up. So now on 1, I'm going to switch the hands. Left arm go down, right arm go up. 1. I'm going to bring her forward with the right hand. 2. The left hand doesn't move. The right hand is the one that keeps turning her. 3. I'm going to push the time, and on 5, I'm going to flick. 5 as I hook, reaching over with my right hand, and we're going to back charge on 6, 7. So now from here, I'm going to be doing a salsa step, grabbing with the left hand. 1, step back 2, step in place 3, over the head, 5, follow her 6, 7. Again, right hand to the left shoulder as we do a broken left. Here, we're going to cross my knee. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1.5 right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Salsa step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Walk through 1.5 left. 1, 2, turn 3, 5, 6, 7. Walk through 1.5 left. 1, 2, 3. Misdirection in 5, 6, 7. I'm going to step side on my 1 and do a walk through 1.5 left. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Salsa step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.